Breaking news. Texas introduces bill to ban central bank digital currency.
See there? Hot topic debate, hot topic debate. While we debate, others imitate. People, this one is real, it's not fake. Texas making laws now decided to ban digital currency. Florida already banned it. Yeah, Jamaican, what are your views on this one? You know the reason why they can make a decision to ban all these laws in America? Because all these states can stand up and represent for themselves, because they all have governor and all of that, you know, and they can vote it out. You see, they can oppose it, vote it out. But you see the little digital currency what coming to Jamaica now, the poor Jamaican, them can't oppose it. They have to go sit down and take everything what the government push down their throat. You see what I say? Unless them come out in numbers and protest and burn down all of a place, how much innocent people gonna get killed and all of that. Lock down all the country, which me not see too necessary. You see? So, I just the news this one me I try show you when me just find so me I post it, make you see. Look for my page. I wanna see the real truth. Google it. I wanna see what go on in America. So enough of the state them I vote against the digital currency. You see?
When we lose cash, if we lose cash, and you've only got central bank digital currencies, the computer will know what it is you're trying to do before you even do it, and they will prevent you from doing it. If, for example, they say you can't leave your house more than 5 miles, you try and buy a bottle of water 6 miles from home, you won't be able to. I'm not kidding. That's so many reasons why you should retain cash. It's offensive that the politicians believe that they have a right to all of your information at all times.